name is Mateus Mutemba. I'm a park warden of Gorongosa National Park. It's one of the treasures of Mozambique and was for many years one of the places with the largest animal density in the whole world.
Then, in 1977, this African paradise became a battleground in a raging civil war that lasted 16 years. The toll, when it was all over, was shocking.
The animals, some of them were nearly extinct. They were destroyed over 99%, some of the species.
Of 2,200 elephants, 100 were left. Of 3,000 zebra, only a handful. And the great predators, like lions and leopards, all but disappeared.
As we had the peace agreement that was signed in 1992, the government of Mozambique began restoration efforts.
Conservationists joined the government to launch one of the most ambitious wildlife restoration efforts ever attempted. But the park needed to focus on one other important species, the humans.
We work in nature, but at the same time we work with people. An important element of our strategy is to raise awareness and get them to appreciate what we have here and realize how important their contribution can be to preserve this park. This is a 4,000 square kilometer national park that is not fenced at all. We spend 2/3 of our budget in the park's buffer zone. We have education programs to the people in the buffer zone so they know how to live and relate to wildlife. Also, the park is responsible for providing opportunities that will counterbalance the losses or limitations that they have for being citizens living in a buffer zone.
And protecting a fragile ecosystem requires a big investment in enforcement.
One of the most important roles that we have is the rangers. Primarily, they are the front line in the protection of the park's boundaries. It is a dangerous job.
The rangers work to protect the animals and prevent illegal activity, like poaching. That's people stealing or killing animals, for food or for profit. The commitment of the rangers, conservationists, and the community is working.
We counted in 2016 around 80,000 animals, and that's a tenfold growth within a period of 9 to 10 years of restoration. I'm very proud of what we have achieved here in Gorongosa in many spheres of intervention, not only as a flagship national park, but a park that has the human beings at the core of it.